Boo! Did I scare you? Well, that's what Halloween's all about, isn't it? This is our Boo paper pack, and I'm going to show you all of the papers. There are 12 designs, and there are 12 sheets. You get 2 of each one. On the insert, you're going to see scrapbook page as well as card. I'm going to show you those, and then some related items. I'm going to show you those too. So we are going to start with these very charming monsters. You can call monsters charming. They're trying to be scary, but they aren't quite pulling it off. The colors are, of course, orange and black. We've got green and purple added into there. Really, really fun. And then we've got those dots all over. Very fun page. And then we have this border in orange, tone on tone, and then we have a companion one in black. So if you want to make a double page spread, that will work perfectly. Or if you want to use it for your cards, that will work perfectly too. Then we have, wow, this very fun sheet. So we've got monsters all over, and we also have cats and bats and haunted houses and owls and all sorts of things. And then we have the monsters all over. Now, how about the back sides? Let me show you. We've got the Harlequin diamonds in both orange and green and purple. We have stripes in all those colors, and then we have the Argyle, as well as those scary eyes all over. And you could cut these out if you wanted to and apply them to different things. Now, what can go with your Boo paper? Well, how about ribbons? We've got orange, and we have green, and we have black, and we have purple. All of them will coordinate beautifully. Even the white could go in here too. So lots of options there. Then we also made some chipboard. Now the chipboard is called Boo, of course, and you can see it's got some of the images that are on here. So on that one sheet that I was showing you, there it is, there is a haunted mansion. We've got that here. There are bats flying all over. We've got those. We've added some pumpkins and our spider web. So right there, but we've got a larger one there. And we've got our cat, which sits right here, but we've added it right there. So what can you do with those? Well, we've got a page or a card on the back of the project, and I'll show you some ideas. We like inking them, using embossing powder, lots of different things. So let me show you some ways that you can do these very fun papers. Let's start with scrapbooking. Here is a page using that front sheet and just adding some ribbon and playing with some of the papers. Look at that wonderful spider web. It's got tinsel, silver tinsel embossing powder, a spider on it. We've got bats flying in there. And then we've also added some of the sparklets. Now, this is called Creepy, and it's got the pumpkins in it as well as the half rhinestones and pearls. There's also another one that's called, appropriately, Boo, and it has ghosts in it as well as the black and white, and that's fun to use too. And you can see our orange ribbon across there. Now, what else can you do? Well, boy, we've got lots of ideas. How fun to add our arch window cutting die. Happy Halloween is part of the chipboard. You can ink it like that. We've got lots of projects, lots of the chipboard right there. And here is another of those with that spider web, this time all done with the foam embossing powder. Very fun. And you can see cobwebs, trick or treat, and spooky. Here is another using the papers as well as the chipboard, and it also adds our Halloween dazzles just to complete everything. So you can see that we are all well prepared for Halloween this year with Boo paper pack, Boo chipboard, lots of embellishments, ribbons, and sparklets to go right along, including the chipboard.